Hello Philippines, again. Good evening, I'm Ronyo Ihares from Butuan City, Philippines, 12 batch manager of MMM. So today, this is my another video of happiness because a few hours ago I request the amount, I request to get help the amount of 1,400 pesos, and now I received the assistance from the MMM community after 1 hour. So these are the participants so providing me assistance of 1,400 pesos. So this is Lagura. He give me 1,200 pesos, and Booknet 200 pesos. So thank you guys. Thank you to all participants of MMM who participate this unique community, and thank you, and together we change the world.